It was once a wonderful day in a busy atmosphere of a time travel company. There was three prominent hunters named James, Steph, and Paul. The three co-workers are hired to go back in time to unleash the mystery of dinosaurs of the past.
Guys, what do you think about the offer?
I don't think the offer is good. We cannot assure safety, man.
Nah, you guys are scared, aren't you?
Are you telling me I'm scared? Let's go!
Yeah, if that's what you want.
Okay, I'll lead you guys.
They accepted the offer and talked about it. The three hunters entered the time machine and they didn't remember what happened. When they woke up, they saw the world back then.
What the heck? Where are we? I thought that we will time travel to the future.
Steph? Is this it? What we really planned?
Yes, this is it. Ha 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 ha. Let's roam around and see what we got.
Come here, faster!
They wandered in the place where they were found a cave. James told the group that they should enter the cave.
Oh my god! Those eggs are huge!
Who owns that?
Let's take it all! Guys, I think it's already late. We should exit the cave right now.
No! It's already night. It's not safe outside.
Oh man, let's just stay here for the night then.
What the heck, bro?
What did you do?
Dinosaur can talk?
I cannot believe it. This is my first time seeing a dinosaur in its talking.
Me too!
Stop with the nonsense. Tell me the truth. Why did you get my eggs? I've been laying them for months, and you're getting it? For what? Humans!
We are sorry for what happened, but we don't have any bad intention to the eggs.
We just want to discover the mystery why the extinction of dinosaurs happened and where did the dinosaurs originate. We don't want to disturb you.
We just want to know more about dinosaurs. We're sorry, but how did you survive?
Is that it? Let me tell you this. I am the only one who survived the fall that ended the time of the dinos. What can you say? Hmm? Wait, where did they go? Humans.